Alright, this is a song called Grace of the Rain by Todd Avery. It really just speaks about how no matter what we're going through, we still have God's grace and that He saves us from our sins and that we have peace in that no matter what kind of trials we're going through in our life.
He's so nervous.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saves a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see so clearly. But hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. And hallelujah, and all my stains are washed away, washed away. Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. And hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. And hallelujah, and all my stains are washed away, washed away. And we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining.